We found a great place for an adventure right in our own backyard at Lake Chatuge in Hiawassee, Georgia. We started the day with a picnic next to the lake. It was absolutely beautiful. From there, we did some hiking. We did some off-roading in a sedan, mind you. You need to see that. And we did some pickleball and had the world championship. This is the best place. They have the best pickleball courts. All of this in Hiawassee at Lake Chatuge.
All right, it is Mother's Day, and we are here at Hiawassee at Lake Chatuge to enjoy a picnic and just have a great time and honor the most beautiful, wonderful mother that I've ever known, Stacy Doodle Benson.
We do have our children with us as well.
Yeah.
Show them our children.
The reason she's a mother is because of her, and because of her, and now because of him.
I'm adopted.
So the next part of our adventure is we are going on a little hike around the lake. And they're all getting backpacks and things like that for a 1.2 mile hike. It has my hammock in it. What if I want to take a hammock? What if it rains? You never know.
This is a nice flat trail here at the Chatuge recreation area, and easy walking, so it's a nice 1.2 mile loop.
We had a really good idea to go to High Shoals Creek for a little hike because they have two really great waterfalls. I don't really think about the fact though that we're in Kenzie's car.
In a sedan.
Which is a sedan.
Kia.
And as you can see,
2012.
Kenzie's a little nervous back
2011.
there. Because I guess we keep hitting the trunk on something.
We'll probably hear it.
I'll show you what it looks like.
I don't think so. I don't know.
My car! So we ended up turning around because the sedan could only ford the river, not much more. After that, we headed on to Hiawassee has some amazing pickleball courts. There are a ton of them right next to the Hiawassee Fairgrounds, right next to Lake Chatuge.
We are here at Hiawassee, Georgia at the pickleball capital of the world for the Pickleball Classic. And over here we have Taylor and Aaron.
When you hit the net?
Yeah, it goes over. As long as
You
it's
can
not
look
the
it
surf,
up.
you play it.
Okay.
There's a little kerfuffle about the rules.
Kirby and Penny. Hey, did you get that?
Thanks, ass.
Kenzie didn't like the rules, so she threw the ball back and walked away like that.
Here.
Here.
Good.
Ow! What happens if it 6-5?
And all good things must come to an end, and so did our adventure at Lake Chatuge. And pickleball rocks.